Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to convert crypto on Mexc. As you can see, I am on their official app and I'm logged in with my account. So make sure to go to this right app Mexc and just go to home section. And once you're here, just simply search. You will see the search bar on the top of the screen. So just search here the any coin pair. Let's say you have BTC or USDT, or let's say you have Ethereum. So just search ETH. And once you search this, you will see all or future or spot event. You will see many options. So just go to the spot option, and from here just choose the pair you want to select, like Ethereum USDT, Ethereum WUSDT, Ethereum FI USDT. So let's say I have Ethereum USDT. So just click on this first one and choose this pair. And once you have chosen the pair and you have this pair, and once you're on this page, just click on, let's say you want to sell something. So just click on sell, and from here just enter the amount you want to sell and convert your amount to USDT. So just enter the amount and select the quantity of Ethereum and click on sell Ethereum. So once you click on sell Ethereum, that is how easily you can convert crypto on Mexc.